Hey y'all, I just wanted to show y'all how to make a sandwich. You know, I'm talking about these voiceovers been going horrible already. Had to split that baby. Pause on that. Hey yo, what you doing? So some of the bread be kind of thick, so sometimes I do that. You know, I like the bread, but sometimes it be a little too thick. You know, I'm talking about like me. So I shave that carrot. You know what I'm talking about? Yo, like so. Carrots looking good. Hey, lemons. What the fuck was that? Gotta mayo that bread up, honey. I realized that the piece of bread that I had is not gonna be good for two people, so I had to double that thing up. I got some of that great value Walmart um meat. I forgot what it was, and chicken. That shit gone it full. Put a little mustard on there, you know what I'm talking about? Yellow that thing all up. Yeah. Leaf lettuce. I love a fresh ass sandwich with some leaf lettuce on it, y'all. I didn't know I like lettuce. Lettuce. I didn't know I like lettuce like that. Okay, the tomato and the onion. That shit was not going on my sandwich. You got me fucked up. That was base sandwich. Throw that shit. There we go. All right. Right side, my shit looking bland as hell, but that shit was good. She put me some cheese on there, not too much. Jalapenos was not my shit either. I don't want no goddamn jalapenos on no regular ass sandwich. But his shit was pretty though. I like how beautiful that sandwich was.